Good morning, everyone. Today, August 26, 2022, Thursday. See, we can tell on the board, like, there's a lot of company like already recover after special event, after stocks has happened 12 to 16 times a year. It's one of those. So we can tell the much strongest one is still like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google. Google drop a little bit, it's not recover fully, yes, but most of them like over 60% on the board on the list. It's already recovered, and based on that, we can tell the stock is going to be up for today. So when you get a lot of gain stock like that, like the percent gain is more on the profits today. The best day for call whoever, because yesterday Tesla slipped a little bit, and the option system could not update that, and that's why they cannot let you add them on, but you can wait to sell them out. Yes, yeah, Robinhood got a lot of change because they update a lot of map on that, and it's more Robinhood in the future is going to be more educate, like for more education side, not just investing only. And this one we can see on ETFs. SPY and QQQ is already going back, and remember yesterday I say so EEM and FXI is going to be get profit for today because the global stock is going up. All the poise of the whole world, like the whole world, every country is kind of the profit side yesterday over $5,000 billion for like the whole world, not only the country. The country is just over 500 point yesterday. So 500 point compared with like over 5,000 billion. That's like nothing. So option for today, the best one is going to be AMC. You see a little star there? So we can call them more in September 2nd, it'll be 96 cents. But anyway, it's right now just $9 something. And this call going to be lost 100% because like $1.06, we can call them around 90 or 96. But anyway, it's really pretty hard. They say put on that, but when you do call is better on that, but move the time frame like over a month. But when you call put on as to highlight that, it's really hard to happen. But anyway, that's your choice. So the crude oil is dropped a little bit. That's the reason the stock going back. That's normal. So Nasdaq adds up over 100 points, and SP 500 adds up 27 points. So SP 500 over 130 points. So all of them, SP 500 drop a little bit. It's 130 points that belong to the Dow Zone. So we can tell all natural gas and gold and metal materials, silvers, we call underground sources. Underground sources like we have like wind, sun, and underground sources we have like gold, diamond, oil, and all the food price kind of stay there a little bit, but they seen it drop, but it's not that much. So honestly, in this chart, we can buy any of them you want, VACC or CLSD and JSPR. Skip the snow because that's a little pricey for everyone. And DRUG, and the next one is the the XLG, but and PULM, and the next one is FTRC and ARHS. So any of them, you can buy any of them. That's not a big deal. But you see they gain like 30% to more than 10%. Of course they're going to be gain more for today. Yeah, and especially the snowflake was like 400 summons right now, still like $190. That's not that bad. It would just drop to 180, 170. But anyway, it's not the lowest one. When you look at the chart, look at the place, look at the V1, and you can do the F1 calculation out, and let's see where they go. Or use the Excel to plug in the F1, and when you put the price or the company's name on that, they automatically run for you, and you got a number. You don't have to sit there and just like keep calculate things. That's not easy to do. So anyway, and we go this chart. I'm going to get like CLSD. That's the cheapest one, and the next one is going to be DRUG. So why not? So get a cheap one is easier to buy and easier to sell. It's not much of the problem. But anyways, now whoever get a Tesla share, please hold them there, because you can get them more profits later. Tesla is pricey company, and we can see on here all of them. NASDAQ already up 50 points, and Dow Jones already up more than 50 points. So, and here we can see SP 500 add up 12 points, and SP 100 add up 3 points. But any of them, like every minute we see, every minute we look at the market, the number is moving and never sits still. So anyway, F is Ford company, like Ford Motor. Today is the first stock we're going to take to target for today, because anyway, remember when I said Ford is, doesn't matter, they still like $7 or $8 or $9 still come back to 15 to 17, because that's their price. As their V3, they're supposed to be, that's real price. But anyway, they move with the market. Of course, they stay on the market. Like you swim on the river, and you have to move with the river. You cannot just sit still in the same spot on the top of the river. That's impossible. That's why when you know the real price and you calculate the F1, then everything will be good. So you can see a little change on that. Open number, highest number, and low number. Everything kind of changed a little bit. And the Robinhood system couldn't catch them yet, and give them a few days to fix the system. That kind of updates the number on. Or a few hours, depend, like I'm not working for Robinhood, and like some of technology, they just, and a medium computer, they can read those can function them and give kind of like an overview on top of those. But like your house, what do you have inside your house? I'm not really sure what's inside. That's everyone's know. So anyway, ADMA biology. So ADMA company is like $500 million. So anyway, and right now it's $2 some. But remember, keep this company so you can buy very close, whatever. I like 550, but your main order have to set around. I mean 250, but your main order have to set around $2, because that's the right and correct number to buy, and you can sell them around $3. So $530 million, that is the cap. And this one, see, some of them they have it and some of them they don't have it. So highest one is 2.76, and lowest one's $1. And one day they can rank around 20-30 cents. That's easy and very normal. So follow with the market, keep track with the news, and collect your profits for today. It's pretty good. So the market swing really nice. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And see you guys tomorrow.